June 18, 2023. A day filled with excitement and anticipation. Five daring individuals boarded the submersible vessel known as Titan, ready to embark on an extraordinary adventure. Their mission? To explore the fabled wreckage of the Titanic, a ship that met a tragic end over a century ago in the vast depths of the Atlantic Ocean. This was not your ordinary expedition. It was an extreme form of adventure tourism, attracting those with a taste for the incredible travel and the means to indulge in it. Each person had invested over $250,000 to be a part of this once-in-a-lifetime journey. The submersible descended further and further, venturing over 10,000 feet, nearly 4 kilometers down into the unforgiving darkness. They were on the verge of reaching the haunting remains of the Titanic, an icon frozen in time beneath the waves. The excitement was palpable. With an estimated time travel of 2 hours, they anticipated a surreal encounter with history. Their connection with the ship above the sea surface remained strong, providing a sense of security and communication. 1 hour and 45 minutes into their descent, everything changed. The submersible suddenly lost its connection. The evening hours of the day drew near. The scheduled time for their return to the surface was 4:30 p.m., but the submersible never resurfaced as expected. Days turned into nights, and a desperate search and rescue operation swung into action. The vast ocean became the battleground as crews scoured the depths, hoping to find any sign of the lost submersible and its courageous crew. As the days wore on, hope dimmed. The only remnants discovered were scattered pieces of the ill-fated submersible lying alongside the wreckage of the Titanic itself. It was a heartbreaking conclusion. The submersible had met its demise, succumbing to a catastrophic implosion at the crossing depths. The dreams, the aspirations, and the lives of all individuals were tragically lost. It was found that there were several safety flaws in the design of the vessel. However, this devastating incident reminds of inherent dangers and risks associated with deep-sea exploration. Despite significant advancements in science and safety measures, the extreme depths of the ocean can exert unimaginable forces, subjecting human-made vessels to immense pressure and structural failure. The disparity between humanity's achievements in space exploration and our struggles to reach the depths of the ocean is a fascinating subject that begs for further exploration. While we successfully reached the lunar surface over 6 decades ago, we continue to face significant challenges in descending just a mere 4 kilometers into the abyss of the deep sea. This video aims to delve into the reasons behind this disparity, shedding light on the complex factors that contribute to the contrasting trajectories of the space and deep-sea exploration. Here we go. The average distance from the Earth to the Moon is approximately 384,000 kilometers. Humans have successfully traveled to the Moon and have conducted multiple manned missions, including the historic Apollo missions in the late 1960s and early 1970s. The deepest point in the ocean is the Challenger Deep, located in the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean. It reaches a depth of approximately 11,000 meters or roughly 11 kilometers. The distance between the sea surface and Titanic wreckage is just close to 4 kilometers in North Atlantic Ocean. The Titanic ship sank in 1912, but the wreckage was not discovered until 1985. Despite the Moon being located outside of Earth's atmosphere and gravitational pull, its distance is much more manageable in terms of travel compared to the deep sea. With the Challenger Deep in Mariana Trench is within Earth's oceans, it remains one of the most challenging and unexplored frontiers due to its extreme depths and inhospitable conditions. Let's talk about these contrasting facts. Number 1. technological and historical factors. Space exploration has enjoyed significant attention, investment, and scientific advancements since the mid 20th century. The intense rivalry between superpowers during the Cold War era, particularly the United States and the Soviet Union, fueled rapid progress in space technology. The invention of revolutionary spacecraft and propulsion systems has propelled us further into space, allowing us to reach unimaginable distances. These technological marvels have opened up new avenues for discovery, fueling our fascination with the vastness of the universe. In contrast, deep sea exploration has historically received less focus and investment, leading to slower technological advancements in submersible and equipment. Number 2. Crushing pressure. The deep sea is characterized by immense water pressure that increases exponentially with depth. In the Mariana Trench, the deepest point in the ocean, pressures exceed 1,000 times that at sea level. This extreme pressure poses a significant challenge for deep sea exploration as it can cause structural failure in vessels and equipment. In comparison, the vacuum of space exerts no pressure, which has its own unique challenges. However, it is far less challenging than working with such high pressure. The crushing force of the deep sea, equivalent to the weight of about 1,000 adult elephants on a single human, underscores the need for robust technology and materials to withstand these incredible forces. Number 3. Sheer darkness. Another aspect that makes the deep sea so hazardous is the complete absence of natural light in its deeper reaches. Sunlight can only penetrate a limited depth, leaving the vast majority of the ocean perpetually shrouded in darkness. The absence of light presents difficulties for navigation, communication, and visual perception, adding to the complexity and danger of deep sea exploration. In contrast, space offers the advantage of unobstructed visibility, where the absence of atmospheric interference allows for clear views of celestial objects and navigational markers. Number 4. Extreme temperatures. The deep sea is a realm of stark temperature contrasts. While the sunlit surface water may be relatively warm, as we descend further, the temperature plummets. In the darkness of the deep ocean, temperatures near freezing are common. However, in hydrothermal vents, scorching hot fluids can reach temperature above boiling point. Hydrothermal vents are cracks in the ocean floor where hot mineral-rich fluids are released. These vents are formed due to volcanic activity beneath the sea floor. These extreme temperature variations make it incredibly challenging for organisms and technology to adapt and survive in the deep sea environment. In space, although temperatures can vary drastically between sunlight and shadow, human-built spacecraft can be insulated and regulated to protect astronauts from extreme cold or heat. Number 5. Toxic environment. While space is often described as a vacuum devoid of life-sustaining elements, the deep sea is home to various toxic substances and hazardous conditions. Hydrothermal vents, for example, release high concentrations of sulfide and heavy metals, creating an inhospitable environment for most organisms. Additionally, deep sea hosts organisms that produce bioluminescence toxin, which can be harmful or deadly to humans. These toxic environments make deep sea exploration inherently risky, as exposure to such substances can have severe consequences for both humans and equipment. Number 6. Public interest and funding. Space exploration has captured the imagination of the public and garnered significant support and funding. The allure of space travel, the discovery of new planets and galaxies, and the potential for extraterrestrial life have propelled space exploration forward. On the other hand, deep sea exploration, while holding immense scientific value, has not garnered the same level of public interest or funding. These differences in public engagement and financial backing has contributed to the contrasting trajectories of the space and deep sea exploration. In conclusion, the stark differences between deep sea and space exploration can be attributed to a multitude of factors. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the depths of the deep sea versus the vast expanse of space. We invite you to share your thoughts, comments, and ideas in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more captivating content on the wonders of our universe. Bye for now.